Welcome to this edition of Nest Up Time Management 101, organizing your new career. Grab your free daily productivity template download. Starting your real estate career? Feeling overwhelmed by leads, showings, paperwork, and endless phone calls? You're not alone. Most new agents struggle with time management, but the top 20%? They've mastered these three simple systems. System 1. Time blocking. Your success depends on locking in time for 4 core activities. Lead generation and prospecting calls, text, community and networking events, follow-ups, lead gen. This is your relationship building gateway. Block it, protect it. Client relationship management showings, consultations, transaction pipeline, creating memorable client experiences. Admin tasks, contracts, emails, paperwork. Batch them to stay efficient. Market knowledge and negotiation. Position clients for success through data, strategy, and advocacy. Social media, market updates, or learning. Fit this into your week intentionally. If it's not on your calendar, it doesn't happen. System 2. The 24-hour rule in real estate. Speed has become increasingly more important. First, an immediate response within the hour. New leads from your website or referrals. Urgent client questions about active transactions. Second, the same-day response within 2 hours. General inquiries and showing requests. And vendor communications. And third, a 24-hour response maximum for everything else, no exceptions. Set up templates for common responses. Use your CRM to track every interaction. A delayed response is a lost opportunity. Update your voicemail to reflect a professional greeting for any missed calls. System 3. Your transaction pipeline. Juggling multiple transactions without a system leads to unhappy clients. For each transaction, create 3 lists. Checklists for Phase 1 are your pre-approval verification, property research, and showing log. Phase 2 checklist is your offer submission, negotiations, and inspection coordination. Stage 3 checklists: appraisal, final walkthrough, and closing preparation. Use a simple spreadsheet or CRM to track where each client stands. Update after every interaction. Here's the truth. Organization isn't optional in real estate. It's the difference between surviving and thriving. Your homework for this week is to set up your time blocks in your calendar. Create response templates for common inquiries. Finally, build your transaction tracking system. Start with just one system this week. Master it, then add the next. Remember, you're not just selling houses, you're building a business. And every successful business runs on systems. What's your biggest time management challenge? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more real estate success tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget your free daily productivity template download.